California Assemblywoman Kate Sanchez joins us now. Assemblywoman, thanks so much for joining us. So what would this bill do?
So it would give first of all, Brian, thanks for having me. It would give hardworking taxpayer dollars to fund and expand a program that would allow criminals, illegal alien criminals that have been convicted to stay in California. And not only that, it would expand it to those across the United States that express the intent to come to California to live.
So I understand it was put on the floor yesterday. People are working this bill. This has got a shot?
So, okay, we saw this bill late Saturday night amended and pushed through the Judiciary Committee, which we would have seen this morning. However, the author has pulled the bill because we sounded the alarms and involved the community and the people of California, and the response was overwhelming. So as of now, it's shelved. It's not dead, but it's shelved.
So we
need to stay vigilant and engage in this process.
Absolutely. I mean, it shouldn't even been proposed. It's unbelievable that the person thinks that there'll be a resonance for it. So the definition of violent, serious crimes in California: murder, rape, assault with a deadly weapon, and kidnapping. So let's give that person some cash to rehab themselves. One of the sponsors had this to say, Reggie Jones Sawyer, and here is the quote: "As long as I have been in the state office, I've worked towards ensuring that people are given a second chance. The Rep for All Immigrants Act ensures racial justice and truly equitable access to crucial immigration services for all, even people that don't belong here, even criminals that show they shouldn't be here."
I have to tell you, honestly, our California voters and people across the nation deserve transparency. They deserve to know their hardworking taxpayer dollars are going, especially times such as now, are going to things that we want to reward in California, not to expand a program that would have allowed convicted illegal immigrants to stay here. This is just, it blows my mind. Honestly, it was one of those bills that you have to read 2 to 3 times. And it was shocking all the way through.
If I was to put a number on how many in the Assembly were prepared to vote for this, do you have an idea?
Well, everybody up until last night, around 10 or 11, were prepared to vote for this today. And in fact, I think it's a good testament to the people, the public that got engaged, that got involved and engaged early, that they put a shelved this bill. So, I mean, I would just say it's incredible. Let's keep it up, and we need to stay vigilant on these kind of bills that are coming through California, because it affects the nation eventually.
What an embarrassment that it was offered. Assemblywoman Kate Sanchez, thanks for bringing attention to it.